Hello guys, welcome to our channel.
Today we're gonna show you how to apply our DIY lash extensions at home.
It's gonna be quick and easy and you can look fabulous every day. So watch us, subscribe and just stay tuned. So take a cotton pad, then use non-oily based cleanser. Clean your lashes. Make sure that there is no oily residue left on them. Take your lashes. This style is Sweet Romance. Then take your glue. Take your mirror and angle it down. Make sure that you can see your waterline and your lashes from the bottom. It's gonna make your application way more easier. Dab a little amount of glue under your natural lashes. Just a little bit, don't use too much because then your lashes can get sticky. Now take your lash applicator and try to put the segment just under your natural lashes. Don't touch the waterline. Make sure the angle of the lashes is right. Put it one by one next to each other and see? You can have the situation like this, but don't worry, the glue is still sticky and you can play with them segments. Now I have the last one and we're almost there. Now I use my finger to make sure that they are on a good place. Blink, make sure there's no irritation in your eye. If everything is fine, you can go to the next step, which is sealing. Now I take my sealer. You can see the brush in a second. Yeah, this is the brush. So you can use the tip of the brush and just put the sealer exactly where you put the glue before. Just a little bit, not too much. And now cover your applicator with the sealer and pinch your lashes and the segments together. Take your time, don't rush. And voila! Everything is ready. Look at this, look at the difference. Wow.